Oh, wow. You might have needed somebody else. Can I quit?
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Oh, God, we have to do that?
How do I start my videos? You're not here, you're not here. Okay, we're just gonna start. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've got a special guest. This is my aunt from Texas, so there's a little bit of I have a Texas theme.
I don't.
She doesn't. My mug for the day, I'll show you your mug too. I would show off my mug. She'd know this if she watched my videos, but
It's a Black Rifle.
I've got my Texas mug with tea, and she's got her nice fancy coffee, I'm assuming?
No, it's not. It's Dr. Pepper this time.
Dr. Pepper.
Good Texas
Oh.
drink.
So today, we are going to be putting something together, which I promise that's not the only reason why I brought you into the video, but it's a plus, so I don't have to do this by myself. So I got sent, okay, I'm gonna push it. A rowing machine. So I got sent a rowing machine from the brand Mekbelt, and we are going to put it together. I'm cut out.
Supposedly.
We're going to attempt to put it together and test it out for your viewing pleasure. So, can we trust you with a sharp object? Don't know.
Of course you can. If you're sitting back away, you have lots of Band-Aids. Look, tools. They sent us tools. Instructions.
Okay, so we got some tools. So if you do not have tools, I need to put this up. Our heads are being cut off now.
Are we going to use the instructions?
My style, I usually throw them across the room, but I think that's probably not the smartest thing to do in this situation.
Not this time, maybe. Oh, wow. You might have needed somebody else.
I failed to mention that you have to agree. There's no option. So this isn't a question, this is a statement. We are going to do just a little tiny competition.
You and I?
Once we get this thing set up, and that's a big if, then, we're going to time ourselves. We can do like 15 seconds, but who can get the most in?
Oh!
We have to make this interesting.
Oh, wow.
We'll get this super easy.
We will.
We will tell everybody it was really hard, but we figured it out.
Yeah. Is that padded?
Yes, it is.
Oh, nice. Okay, everything feels substantial.
That's a good sign, because
It's a very good sign.
we're going to be moving on this like crazy.
Yeah.
And this I've seen, and we will obviously test it, but that it can be stored quite nicely. The long part can be folded up, so it'll still take up room, but it doesn't have to stay out. It can fold and get tall.
Okay, it
Which
doesn't
is
take up
good.
a bunch of floor space.
Yeah, because there's not a lot of floor space
Oh,
in here or garage or anything like that.
Yeah,
so
very
it's
few people
needed.
have a bunch of floor space. I had zero.
All right, this is clearly a... Well, there's wheels, so I assume this stays on the ground.
Okay.
I'm excited because when I was working out with my personal trainer, like I hate cardio, big time, but this is the kind that's more in short bursts, so it's a lot easier than like running on a treadmill or something. So this is one of my favorite cardio things because you don't do it long.
Number 4. That's easy because they're numbered. Having grandchildren, you get to put together a lot of things. Not that I'm good at it, but I recognize good instructions when I see them. That's going to go this way, right? This is quite heavy.
What?
Okay, that's not the way it goes. Okay, I have an idea. Why don't we do it this way?
Because that would be easier, and that's not what this is about.
Okay.
So what go... Yeah. You're just figuring it out. Oh, there are only 2 screw things, so
Yes.
that would answer that question.
I don't know for sure which side is supposed to be on.
I think you're correct.
I had 2 options. The first one was right.
Yeah.
Yay! Does it have a close-up picture? That's taller and this is smaller, so I put the wrong ones on. There again, I had 2 options.
Well, I mean, you can't get them all. You got 2 right, and you just...
Yeah!
You're being stingy with being right.
You've already got the other pieces on too?
Well, this is the one that you put on. That was wrong. So, I'm just fixing your mistakes here.
I'm just saying.
I'm not trying to point fingers, but...
Okay, is that it?
I believe so. Okay, this is the next step, and it goes something with that.
Okay, I can't get it in there. Wait a minute. You're pretty good at editing, right? I've got this screw stock. I don't know what to say, but I've got the screw stock.
Step aside.
Oh!
It's probably directional.
Maybe so.
Just, I need it better.
See, it doesn't want to go in there, does it?
No, it does not.
I don't know. You're the one with the directions.
I don't want to be.
Why? I'm trying every tool possible. I mean, something's bound to help. Can I quit?
Uh-oh. They could do that. Ow! Plastic
Did you
sharp!
catch your... Uh-oh. I asked you in the very beginning, do we have enough Band-Aids? Well, this is really inconvenient. Well, if this was a test, like any kind of normal test, I would go on to step 3.
Skip it and
But I
come
don't know
back.
how that works in this kind of stuff.
Oh,
You got it?
nope. It wasn't even kind of attached.
What is that? I hope it wasn't important. Because at this point I'm bored with this and... That was cute. You wouldn't believe the way the tool just jumped out of her hand.
Okay, so like, that might not go in all the way, but that's not going anywhere.
Okay, and hey, we've got room to put.
But it
These?
doesn't tell us to.
Yes, I think so.
But
Well, I
you're
mean,
wrong.
honestly, it doesn't need it, but
You're wrong. Do you
Am I
see
wrong?
another thing?
no, I don't. As a
Then
matter of
put
fact.
it down.
Okay. Yeah, you are correct. Aha. Okay. There's a
Wait.
pull pin. Oh! Oh!
Look at that!
Oh! This is gonna make so much sense once you see it put together. Okay.
Okay. Number 4 looks like we don't need this. Bye.
Bye!
Oh, and this is the thing that the seat slides on.
Okay.
There's 3 steps under step 5.
Oh, great.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Oh, God, we have to do that?
Exploded diagram. I don't think that should exist. Exploded diagram.
20?
Oh, okay. Arrows matter. These arrows are telling us to take 62 off. Is that what
Oh.
that is? It's saying take it off, put the wheels on. Oh yeah, because the wheels can't go on because that's blocking it, so the seat doesn't fly off. So we'll take those off and then put them back on after we put the seat
And
on.
does it say how to take it off? Very good. Arrows matter.
There are arrows pointing to take those
and
off.
it was easy. It came off easy.
Ah.
Like that. And then this is a stop. And so we put these
Yes.
back on. Yay! Huh.
That doesn't sound good.
Uh-oh. Okay. Avoid picnicking.
Pinching.
Oh, okay. It's upside
Do
down.
not take this picnicking, whatever you do. It's a disaster.
It was upside down and backwards. Oh, now we need to put this together on that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh. We're going to need it in the down position.
We will need it. You're not just cute. You're pretty smart. There you go. There you go.
Muscle woman. You don't need a rowing machine. You're already jacked.
You may be too
said
young
it.
to remember. But you may have gotten yourself into a little bit of a pickle here because
I'm scared.
happen to remember what your Aunt Jeanette used to do in my spare time.
Rowing.
Rowing.
Oh, yeah.
And like
Well,
an
I'm
actual
glad
boat.
I didn't put money on this.
I'm sorry that I didn't.
Batteries are not included. So, hopefully we have batteries so we can, or we'll just have to count. Ew!
What's
Very
that?
greasy.
Oh, grease.
Put this goes into there, and then you just wait. Now that I have this, next time I'm coming to Texas, I'm gonna beat you in a kayaking race.
Yes, that will be fun.
Avoid picnicking. I want a picnic.
That's everything I came here to do. Picnic. I bet you can do some serious picnicking on that. So are we done?
The last thing is telling us how to put in batteries. So what kind of battery?
Yeah, I don't know about that.
I think that holds a tablet and like a phone, so you can have like scenery or an actual workout thing.
That was very satisfying.
Oh, that doesn't look like it wants to fit.
This is where grandmother.
Goodness.
Okay. It just snapped in there? Yeah. Oh, wow. I hope one is the...
Yeah, there we go.
Okay. Wow, very good.
Look at that.
Here, let me get out of your way.
Awesome.
Avoid picnicking.
I almost picnicked, but I avoided.
Does it slide pretty well?
Yeah.
Maybe
There are foot straps that
yes,
I did not
I think
use.
that you should probably consider putting those on, apparently.
And wearing
So you don't
shoes,
throw
maybe.
yourself. Not that your legs are short.
No, not at all. Okay, finish your peeling.
I like this part. It's very simple once you see it all put together. I mean, it actually is a simple design. Look at that.
And
Very
then there's
nice.
wheels.
Oh, so
I mean,
you-
I'm on carpet, so it's not gonna be super easy, but it's not
Yay.
heavy like that. Not too bad.
Not at all.
Competition time. I'm putting my shoes on.
Oh, not that you think I have an advantage or anything.
No. Safety first, children.
Yes, always. You need goggles? A hat?
Probably. Rachel, you better be proud of me. You didn't give me a goal.
I would say in 30 seconds you should be able to do at least 25. 1 a second? Less, okay, 20.
Okay. You're not allowed to go more than 20.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my word, it slides. The sliding's throwing me off. On a carpet it wouldn't slide.
16, 17. Stop.
Dang it! I got 22. It's saying 23
Okay.
because I thought, but it was 22.
That was pretty close. Guess.
Yeah? I'm gonna start you back here.
Yes.
Because it slides.
Okay.
You ready?
Uh-huh.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Do you want to start over?
No. I don't want to do it again. Oh, I found a place for my foot.
3, 2, 1. Stop.
How many? 40.
Did you get no? That added on to mine.
Oh, we each had 20? How many did
7.
you have?
It said 23, but it was 22.
Oh no! It couldn't have been. My foot came undone. No,
I
think
asked you if you wanted to restart.
Yeah, you actually beat me
2.
by 2 of them.
Which is 100% if your foot didn't slide out. You would have at least made up an extra one.
Yeah, for sure. I think I would have made 1 extra, but that's all. I mean, I wouldn't have beaten you.
I think we would have tied.
Yeah.
If you
that's
had more
pretty
sturdy.
close. I was gonna wear tennis shoes, but I didn't today. Then flip flops wouldn't have helped that.
No.
Yeah,
What
you'd
size
have
are
to
you?
do it in. I'm like 7.5.
You could have fit these. They're 8.5. It would have been a little big, but.
Not as big as this. No, I think you beat me, and that's not easy to say. But you know, you are like 40
You
years
are
younger
your
than me.
brother's sister.
Yeah, I am my brother's sister. I mean, I think it works pretty good. If you did it on carpet, it wouldn't be sliding.
Or like on a more like a gym floor where it's kind of rubbery.
Yeah,
'Cause
maybe
this is-
sort of rubber mat or something underneath. I have used these in, gyms, in real gyms, and they were really uncomfortable when you went back because it made a horrible noise like you were about to break something, and this didn't do that. And so I like it that it didn't do that, and I like that there's an adjustment for the tension, and it actually is working. I mean, that works, and that's good. And I like that it kept count and the time. It was easy to hold on to, wasn't hard on your hands, and it would be really cool if you did some sort of program on your phone with it. That would be really cool. I like it. So that's my response for it.
From a professional rower.
Well, I did used to have, I don't have one anymore, but I would row rig down the river. So just me in a 12-foot raft with 10 or 12-foot oars. And so, yeah, but this felt good. It felt really good to do it. That would be fun to do. And it doesn't take up a lot of space, so.
Yeah, surprisingly, it's smaller than I expected.
Yeah, it really is. So, what do you think about it?
I like it. What threw me off was the sliding, but that's fixable with the right flooring.
Right.
So I will try it on the carpet too, but I definitely think in like a home gym that's really set up to be a home gym that has the rubber mats, it would not slide.
Even if you just had some of those pads, that you put underneath rugs so that they don't slide,
That's
something
true,
like
little
that, just
grip
little
things.
pieces for either end.
Yeah, and that's only really doing that just because it's not super heavy. So
Yeah.
if you don't want something super heavy and you have a small space, then you can fix the sliding issue. Thumbs up from us. The best assembly team there is.
Yes!
That
With
took us
and
no
without
time.
the instructions. I mean, we did pretty good once. Yeah.
Yeah. Once we figured it out, we had it down.
And nobody actually bled.
No. It was a close call.
Close. We have 2 extra parts, but I don't think they're needed. I think they were supposed to be extra.
Yeah.
You're gonna keep on practicing?
No, I'm going to say goodbye to my audience.
Oh, okay. I'll leave you alone then.
No, get your butt over here.
Oh, okay. I'm right behind you.
Okay.
Do
So I
not-
should start.
No.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up because it helps show me the kind of stuff you like to see. And also give it a big thumbs up and a sweet comment for my aunt for helping me put this together and test it. And I cannot believe that until the end I didn't think about what a good opinion she would have on a rowing machine.
Yeah.
Little backstory. She lived on the river and rowing and rafting and all that kind of stuff on the river forever.
Yeah.
I mean, like, since you were
In my 20s.
20.
Yeah.
So, yeah,
That was a long time ago.
So we unintentionally have a great person to have review this.
Yeah. And I just want to say hi to my babies back home because I miss my grandbabies, because they're all encompassing, or you don't get to think about much else. And I'm not around them right now, so hi, babies.
Hi, my second cousins and my first cousins, because I know you're going to be watching this because you're
Gonna have to turn the phone
you
on.
have to. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and have a wonderful day.